with Southern Angels Stamping, and I have an unboxing for you. This is my Mother's Day gift that my husband got for me. It is from Bath and Body Works, so it's already cut open. But whoops, I'm going to show you. I don't even know what's in it yet, so I'm going to open it and show you what I got. So I'm trying to get everything set up here. Let's see. Move some stuff out of the way. Okay. This way. It smells good. Let's see, got some white citrus body lotion. And let's see what else. Oh, got a 20% off your online order for New Rose. Got that in here. Let's see. I think he said one of these is supposed to be for our mom, so not sure which one. He'll have to tell me. Got berry waffle cone. Look how pretty that is. It's so pretty. Oh, wow, that smells really good, too. I'm going to move this box out of the way. Okay, so I got that one. Oh, look how pretty this is. Southern Magnolia. Oh, I love that. That is beautiful. It smells nice too. I love the packaging on that. And then there's this one here. Let's see what it is. Oh, this one's beautiful too. Love you. And that one's a light scent. It's very pretty. So those are the 3 candles. This one really smells good. This berry waffle, that one smells the best. I bet the Southern Magnolia is for Mom. So there we go. There's the Mother's Day gift from my husband. I wanted to share that with y'all. This one smells real nice too. But this one's the most fragrant one. So that's what I got. I wanted to share that with y'all. So let me know if y'all have tried any of these, and in the comments below. And also you can let me know what y'all got for Mother's Day in the comments below. So please give this video a thumbs up, and please share, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and thank you for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye now. Hey y'all, I did want to let y'all know that the scent of this candle right here that says love y'all, the fragrance is called Fresh Cut Lilacs. So I didn't say that. And the white citrus, I opened it up and it smells very good. Nice fresh scent. Good for spring or summer. So I'm going to enjoy that. So I just wanted to let y'all know that real quick. So I thank y'all again for watching, and y'all have a blessed day.